Nuts. Give me the freaking nut. Hey, this is the wrong nut.
Yo, we're winning some competition or something. Win a bunch of money plus a bunch of tickets. And there's yellow, that's totally been real gold. And turn out, visit golden yellow.
He made up that crap so he could get away in real life with that Alaskan guy that bit me out of jail the last time when I went to a house show and tried to woo my former queen out of sickness and tell her that I was genuine that simple but to no avail. That's to cover up the fact that I've switched up my crush now. I've been following Spitman, aka your content for a while. I saw that you raved about Susanna House the Bengals number, and I thought I should check that one out. And I realized that missing out on that 2016 with you let out. But Susanna House is indeed sometimes you get that makes some news. I feel like the Bengals rap was slash
Nuts. Give me the freaking nut. Hey, this is the wrong nut.
Yo, we're winning some competition or something. Win a bunch of money plus a bunch of tickets. And there's yellow, that's totally been real gold. And turn out, visit golden yellow.
We're experiencing technical difficulties with the NBC television network. Please stand by. We're experiencing technical difficulties with the NBC television network. Please stand by. We're experiencing technical difficulties with the NBC television network. Please stand by.
You are watching
Give me the freaking nut. Hey, this is the wrong nut.
Yo, we're winning some competition or something. Win a bunch of money plus a bunch of tickets. And there's yellow, that's totally been real gold. And turn out, visit golden yellow.
You have inserted a printed game of Plotagon. Your phone will now permanent shut down forever.
Now you know the truth. Goodbye, and fuck you, Spaggy Man, for making me change my mind.
Just had half a cat from a little bit that last time.
Bye now. Bye-bye.